This video demonstrates how to create a visual using Analytics Builder. Use Analytics Builder to visually represent and compare data and create analyses. On the Analyses page, click New Analysis. Select the dataset that you want to create a visual for. Then click Use in Analysis. You can select from various visual representations in the Visuals pane. In the Data pane, select the dataset that you want to compare to your chosen analysis and add the dataset to the desired field in your visual. If you want to create two visuals for your analysis, click Add in the Visuals pane and select another dataset. You can also remove visuals and datasets by clicking on the context menu and selecting Delete or Remove, respectively. Click the plus sign beside your current sheet tab to add another sheet. Click the arrow next to the name of the sheet and select Delete to remove it. Clicking on each sheet lets you access the Data and Visuals panes for that sheet. Use the Properties pane to alter the display and details of your visual. When you have finished your visual, click the arrow by the sheet name and click Rename to title your sheet. Then click Publish to publish your analysis as a dashboard. For more information on creating a dashboard, refer to the video description.